Hi guys, so please confirm the hardware virtualization is enabled or not. So click to start, type task manager and then click to performance, then CPU. After that full screen you can see virtualizations is enabled. Okay, and then close it. Then next click to start, type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, then type system sys tminfo and then hit enter. Now loading this processor, informing this HR definitions. Then next capital A space hy hyper vision has been detected and then hit enter. Okay, so remove it and it not accept, so means this is active. Then next command BCDEDIT. Okay, now set the command auto launch. So hyh hyper vision launch type. Okay, and then close it. Then let's check manually. Click to start, type control panel, select by view by category, then uninstall program and feature. First one, turn the Windows update on and off, this one. Then let's find out the hybridizations. So Hyper-V, just check this and then click to OK. Okay, it will second. Then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.
Click on start. In search, type cmd. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is command. First copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed. So it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage like 60% is stuck, it's not continued, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter. So no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, scan health, just hit enter. It will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see it is running percentage. So do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last restore health. Copy Control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have a Google forms, so you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is a 100% completed and successfully operation completed. Okay,